Alright everybody, welcome back, and let's simply continue from here on. And the thing is that at least for 2 hours, so let's even set the timer for now. So for 2 hours I will be working on this particular project, and let's see how many things we can actually get done. So WhatsApp floor, and the main focus is gonna be getting the chat application ready for now. And once the chat application is actually ready, then we will be even working on that. We will be working on calls using WebRTC and all. Again, that is something that will be done after some time, because I still have to acquire the knowledge of that. But meanwhile, we can just simply get our backend ready. So let's get that done, and let's see how it's gonna be going on. Again, I know there are gonna be many things that I will get stuck, and this is how the learning goes on, right? So while just learning the stuff and all, I will just simply get the things done, and this is how things are gonna be going ahead. So as for now, this was it that I had. Now suppose I have my WhatsApp, and authentication and all that needs to be done too. So what should we be focusing first of all? The authentication, and especially when it comes to the authentication, at that time one more thing, just a minute. Let's go with the passport.js over here. And once I'm inside this, so let's go to the documentation, sign in with Google. And over here I'm mainly using sessions. When using sessions, so the response that goes to the front end side, kind of at that time your cookie also gets sent, ultimately session ID also gets sent. I'm not sure about this particular thing. So let's implement this thing first of all. First of all, authentication is going to be implemented. Once the authentication section is done, then we will be just moving to something else or the other. Authentication is the sense we are gonna be working with these two things over here. We have the HTTP server. Inside that I have my source file, and inside that I have created the controllers, right? So even when it comes to the routes, so I have my auth.routes.ts. So first of all, we will be getting the authentication done, and once the authentication is actually done, then we will be going ahead with something else. As for the cookie, that will directly be sent. So let's check it exactly how this is gonna be going on. So inside my app, first of all, let me even create the route over here. So that's gonna be the user.routes.ts, auth.routes. I already have auth, so I will be creating a const router is gonna be equals to, let's simply import the router. So let's simply get it right this from the express. Once I have the router, so const router is gonna be equals to, do I need to do it like this? Router is gonna be actually equals to router, just like this. And once I have this much over here, then router dot okay, just a sec. Router dot, I can directly use get over here, and that's gonna be sign up, just like this. Yes, IGN sign up. And over here I will have a controller called as simple as that. Just a sec, kind of there is some kind of work, so I